दिल से बात निकलती है असर रखती है, तब नहीं ताकते परवाज मगर रखती है।
Thank you to Allah, the Creator, the Sustainer, the Cherisher and Nation of the world, and peace and blessing be upon His Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, upon his family and all his companions. Today, in this auspicious occasion, I am very grateful, and this is the great honor for me to be considered as to have in front of you who speaks the words. There are great personalities are here, so this is very difficult for me to from where to begin. By the way, this cast a cursory glance at our black history. If we look at centuries of our long education system, so we did not find any difference between madrasa and school from the very beginning to colonization. The schools, the universities were established. They would provide religious science as well as modern science. Sharia had specified that this is not an individual application. This is not for the mind to become a scholar, to become an alim. Rather, it is a communal application in a country, in a town, in an area where we live. If there are enough scholars, then the communal application has been fulfilled. But this is incumbent. This is an individual obligation upon every Muslim to learn the basics of deen, to learn the basic obligations of deen. So, the education system was, every Muslim would receive the education in which they would learn their religious science as well as their modern science. If the students wanted to pursue their higher studies, then they had those opportunities available. If the students wanted to pursue higher studies in modern sciences or in any other sciences, in any other education system, so they had those opportunities available. There is a university called Jamiatul Khalidin. If we look at our major universities, so we will find Jamiatul Khalidin in the city of Fes, Morocco, and Jamia Zaytuna in Tunis, Tunisia, and Jamia Cairo, Egypt. This Jamiatul Khalidin was established in 3rd century BC, that is around 9th century Common Era. So, in this university, all the religious science and natural science, all kind of education was being taught there under one roof. The engineers, doctors, the mufassiri, and the mufaddikram, all these kind of personalities were being prepared under one roof. So, if we see this Ibn Khaldun, Ibn Rushd, and Qadi Iyad rahmatullahi alayhi had taught there, and with a long list of our great ulamas and great personalities, with their teaching force still are preferred. They thought where Qadi Iyad rahmatullahi alayhi gave lectures, they thought where Ibn Khaldun taught, they thought where Ibn Arabi al-Maliki taught, and still today, this university has the replicas of our great ulamas. Still today they have preserved. So the education was designed that every individual person, every Muslim would receive their knowledge, their basic obligations in scientists like Al-Farabi. Yes, like Farabi, Ibn Arabi. So both of them were similar by appearance. Both used to know the issues of Salah, both used to know the issues of Zakah, both used to know the issues of fasting and all other religious activities, and they had their great opportunities in great knowledge inside them. So these are our great ulama, great personalities, and this system was there in Jamia Jannatul Tablighin. Similar case was there in Jamia Zaituna, and in the initial stage, in the beginning days of Jamia Zaituna. So now here we are on the way to achieve our history, to act upon our history. We are here to make our children, our nation success with this Hira family. So I would conclude my talks with the poet on behalf of our Hira family. मंजिलें ना कठिन आए गुजर जाऊंगा, मंजिलें ना कठिन आए गुजर जाऊंगा, फैसला हाथ पे बैठूंगा तो मैं जाऊंगा वो महान नहीं लग रहा।
माशाअल्लाह, वंडरफुल, माशाअल्लाह, कि आंखों में बसकर दिल में समाकर चले गए, कि आंखों में बसकर दिल में समाकर चले गए, शादी गाजी चली थी जगाकर चले गए।
Like and subscribe to my channel.